Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted guide to the best finds on the market. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best birthday tags you can buy, the 100 pieces gift bag tags set by Ajcotahm. Whether you're prepping for a birthday bash, a baby shower, or just want to level up your party favors, this product offers a colorful, practical, and premium solution that's surprisingly affordable. Let's start with what you get in the box. This set includes 100 happy birthday gift tags, all pre-punched and ready to go, along with a generous 20 meters or 66 feet of high-quality jute twine. That's more than enough to wrap, hang, or tie these tags on gift bags, boxes, jars, or party decorations. Each tag measures 8.5 by 5.5 centimeters or roughly 3.34 by 2.16 inches, a perfect size for writing names, short notes, or special messages. Now let's talk about build quality. The tags are made from thick cardstock, not your typical flimsy paper. That means they're durable, resistant to tearing, and they keep their shape well even when handled or packed tightly with gifts. The jute twine, too, is strong and holds knots securely, so you don't have to worry about tags slipping off. Design-wise, these tags hit a sweet spot between playful and tasteful. They come adorned with cheerful, colorful dots and a clean, attractive happy birthday message printed across the front. It's a festive look that works for all ages, boys, girls, adults, kids, anyone celebrating a special day. The bright design makes your gift bags pop and adds a handcrafted feel, instantly upgrading even the simplest packaging. What's great about this set is how versatile it is. These tags are ideal not only for birthdays but also for baby showers, anniversaries, classroom celebrations, and party favors. They're a great way to personalize gifts, and since the back is blank, you can customize each tag with handwritten notes, names, or dates. It adds a warm, personal touch that printed labels just can't match. Another convenience is how easy they're to use. With pre-punched holes and flexible twine you can cut to size, assembling your gift bags becomes smooth and stress-free. You can use the tags as is for a clean look or get creative and add stickers, stamps, or glitter for a more decorative flair. So who is this perfect for? If you're a parent organizing your child's birthday party, a teacher preparing goodie bags for your class, or even someone who loves hosting parties and adding thoughtful touches, this is for you. It's also a fantastic choice for small business owners who want their packaging to look polished and personal. To wrap it up, the 100 pieces gift bag tags set by Ajcotahm offers exceptional value with its combination of quality materials, charming design, and versatility. These tags are functional, fun, and foolproof, making them a must-have in your party planning toolkit. If you're looking to elevate your gift presentation and leave a lasting impression, this might just be the best birthday tag set out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a product review that helps you buy better. See you in the next one.